Hi, Mr. Wonderful here. You know, there's a tremendous amount of innovation going on right now in financial services, including the multi-billion-dollar mortgage industry. Now, if you want to pay off your home in a fraction of the time, it's not always a mortgage that's the best structure. You know, look at it this way. You want to learn more about different alternatives? Go to replaceyourmortgage.com to learn more. Innovation in financial services is driving down costs and helping consumers. And it's all done because you can look at a lot of this online. So if you're going to take on debt and put a mortgage in front of you, why not look at every other alternative? Go to replaceyourmortgage.com to check it out. Take care, my friends.